Hi, this is Jane, one of the cycle mechanics at ForwardMotion, and I'm going to do a video on how to check the wear on your chain. So I've got two different types of chain checkers here. You've got this basic one here, and a bit more expensive, that gives you a more accurate reading, is this Park Tools one here. So if we try this one first. Here's our chain. Clip it on one end, and you see it goes through the chain like that. So that shows that that is worn and that chain needs replacing. I'll just show you with the other checker. See, this gives a more accurate reading. It shows that that chain is 0.75. So that needs replacing. Firstly, we want to remove the old chain. This chain actually has a quick link, making it really easy to do. Which these are quick link pliers. You can use pliers like this. Alternatively, if you haven't got quick link, you would use a chain breaker tool like this, which you would do by, this is just one I've got on a multi-tool, you can get them separately. So you put the tool on like that, and then you would screw in that and push the pin through and out. But as I've got a quick link here, and I've got my pliers, you don't need these special pliers, you can do it with a normal pair of pliers, just make it a bit easier. Just squeeze, and you see how that's popped. And then you can remove it like that and take your chain off. So before I put the new chain on, I'm going to take this old one off and give the bike a bit of a clean up. Clean all these jockey wheels, because it's much better to put a new chain on, clean bike, than putting on top of your old dirt. Right, we're back. Bike's nice and clean. I've already cut the chain to the correct length, but I'll show you how a good way of doing that. I mean, one way, if you've got the old chain, you can measure the new chain against that and cut them to the same length. I only had to take one link out, but you can also do what I've done here, is put the chain round the smallest chain ring at the front, so I've only got one here, and the biggest ring at the back, missing out the derailleur. And then you want two full spare links. So you see I've got two extra links there. That will give you enough chain length for when it's threaded through the derailleur. Right, you can see I've now threaded the chain through the jockey wheels. Here's the quick link here. So just snap both sides together, and then give it a pull. So I've now got the pliers in there, and I can pull that apart, and you see they've clicked in nicely there. So that chain's all on. Take that off. If I undo the lock, there you go, and you see chains on nicely. Just round at the front there, nice new shiny chain, all on there ready to go for a ride. Thanks for watching.